Hi, welcome back. Today I want to do a number guessing game in C. So let's get started. We'll need a few libraries for that, a few headers, I guess I should say. The usual stdio for the input output, stdlib for, does it? Yeah, it shows it here. stdlib. For each game played, there will be a different randomly chosen or generated number. And lastly, we'll need the time.hlib to use as a seed for the random number library. Then int main, the usual stuff, the code that will actually be compiled. We'll initiate a variable called failed, so we want to say that the user fails by default. Then let's initiate the random numbers. So srand, that'll be the function to initiate it. We use the current time as the seeds, time, and then 0 to indicate that it's the current one, current time at the time of running the program. And we generate the number rand and 11. So that will generate us a number from 1 to 10. And let's initiate a variable for the number the user will put in. And now we want to give the user 4 tries to guess that number. So we'll put this into a for loop that will run 4 times. So we'll initiate a counting variable for the loop at 0. Now so while I is lower than 4, and we increment the variable, and inside the loop we gather the guesses. So guess semicolon, then we gather the user input, scan, it's going to be a digit that we want to get from the user, and we'll write that digit into the variable user. Another semicolon. Here we have the number from the user, we have our randomly generated number. We want to check where the user stands, where the number the user chose stands in relation to the generated one. So if user is, let's say, lower than the number, we print guess. They'll need to guess higher next time, so guess higher, semicolon, and here we do an else if. So otherwise, if user is higher than the number, then we do print guess lower, there we go, and else. So the only other option possible here is if the user actually gets it right. So here we'll do print congratulations, you got it, we so my colony, whatever, failed equals 0 because the user actually won this time, and we break out of the loop. So we use the break statement for that, which means if we're not done with the loop yet, we want to be done, so we break out of the loop, we quit the loop. So we're done with the loop. Now, when we're outside of the loop, we would want to check if the user failed. And if it did, print sorry, maybe next time. Oh, one more thing. Let's add in the line breaks, or no, those are not line breaks. I don't know what those are. And now we run this gcc example.c. An output file will be example, just example like this. Error. Print. I spent some time debugging here, but basically what happens is I forgot a semicolon and I misspelled print, which I put in print but it should be print. Okay. GCC or compile example.c into example. Now let's run example, see how it works. Guess 5, guess higher. 7. Wait, no, that's 78. Crap. 7. Oh, it was 7. Awesome. Congratulations, you got it. Whee! Let's try it again. 5. I got it on the first try. 5. Guess lower. 3. Guess higher. 4. Whee! That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on learning, and I'll see you in the next one. This keeps on repeating, so scan